Guys, we're going to Scandinavia. Mall of Scandinavia. We're gonna have a sun date. Family date. We're gonna eat lunch there. Do you want buffet, guys? Do you want the Asian buffet? We'll see. And I think it's very, very expensive. And how many they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are 5 person, guys. Look, this is very nice place, right? Yeah, and we're going there. Westfield Mall of Scandinavia. I don't often come here, guys, so I will show you the place, the views. We always, because we live far, like 45 minutes by bus. Yeah, but it's not so far. my sambo, he said, come. You want me to be with them, but I cannot because my stomach is big, guys. I have 7 months pregnant. I am 7 months pregnant, and soon I gonna have my baby on December, you know, December 10th. So we already know December 10th because it's cesarean, and the doctor already set that the date. So that date, and I just thinking how I can do my vlog when I gonna give birth, guys. Then I cannot upload so much because I gonna be busy and I gonna have pain. You know, cesarean, it's very much pain after the operation. Like after a couple, like after a day, I think, then it's gonna be. Guys, look at that. Very beautiful here. I love to live here, you know, but I think rich people live here. He's waiting for me. They are very fast walking and I cannot do like them. I just walk. And my kids very negative. I said, "Sluta filma." No, like stop. Very nice place here, babe. Very nice. That is the Mall of Scandinavia. Oh my God, now we're gonna go walk, going there. And it's Sunday today, so nobody sweeper the ground, but always they do Monday to Friday, you know. You can see the ground is have leaves, they fall down because it's do you call this, fall down because it's yellow. It's autumn now, guys. It's starting to get yellow orange, the leaves, and then later it's gonna be bald. They're just stand up without leaves. Guys, we will see. By the way, we will look how much the buffet is. I gonna update you later. My boyfriend, my partner is waiting for me. Then he's okay. He don't like camera, you know. He's always hiding from the camera. Look at that, very beautiful, right? So this is Mall of Scandinavia. This is Solna, guys. Okay, let's see each other soon again. Bye bye. Keep safe, everyone.